Welcome to the Grand Marina at Deering Bay, where we offer an exceptional 100-foot by 33-foot boat slip. Nestled within the exclusive Deering Bay Yacht and Country Club community, our marina provides unparalleled security, from a guard-gated entrance to roving patrols, and even a private keypad gate. Rest assured your vessel is in safe hands. Plus, monitor your boat and the marina surroundings anytime, anywhere, thanks to our state-of-the-art camera system. Ample parking is available for your convenience. Each slip comes with its own electric meter and water access. And let's not forget Biscayne Bay is just a quick sail away, with absolutely no bridges to hinder your journey. Experience the epitome of convenience, security, and impeccable management right here at the Grand Marina at Deering Bay.